How to enable Snapchat notifications on iPhone and Android. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on notifications for messages, calls, mentions, stories, and more on your iPhone or Android. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Snapchat. Next, tap Notifications. Turn on Allow Notifications if it's currently disabled. Then, enable the notification options you want, such as lock screen, notification center, and banners. It's also a good idea to turn on sounds and badges so you don't miss important alerts. These settings allow your phone to receive Snapchat notifications. Now, to customize which Snapchat notifications you receive, tap Snapchat Notification Settings at the bottom of the page. This will open the notification settings inside the Snapchat app. Here, you can choose exactly what you want to be notified about, including chat messages, voice and video calls, mentions, friend requests, memories, birthdays, and more. You can also scroll to the bottom and tap Manage Story Notifications to receive alerts whenever specific friends post a new story. After you've finished customizing your preferences, simply close the settings. That's it. You've successfully enabled and customized Snapchat notifications on your phone. If you're still not receiving notifications, make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode is turned off, and check that Snapchat is updated to the latest version. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Snapchat tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.